Okay, today we'll be talking about cell respiration. Let's begin. So first we're going to start with an overview of what's going to be happening. First we're going to start with glucose, which will go through glycolysis in the cytoplasm. This will release 2 ATP molecules and produce pyruvates. These pyruvates can go into 2 different directions. The first direction is without oxygen. This means it goes through fermentation and either turns into lactic acid or ethanol, depending if you're human or not. The second direction is it goes through the Krebs cycle, which releases CO2. Then in the mitochondria, the electron transport chain produces H2O and 34 to 36 ATP molecules.
Here's another way to think about cell respiration. You start off with a 6-carbon glucose molecule. Then, it will gain energy by taking it away from 2 ATP molecules, producing 2 ADP molecules. That 6-carbon molecule will then lose energy by giving it away to 4 ADP molecules, creating 4 ATP molecules. Next, 2 NAD plus molecules will gain an H, becoming 2 NADH molecules that will then go onto the electron transport chain. In the end, you will be left with 2 pyruvic acids. Now we will talk more in detail about cellular respiration. The first step is glycolysis. This is where you take a 6-carbon glucose molecule and add energy from 2 ATP molecules, producing 2 ADP molecules. Then, from 2 NAD plus molecules, it will produce 2 NADH molecules. And from 4 ADP molecules, it will produce 4 ATP molecules, producing in the end 2 pyruvic acids. Next, cell respiration branches off into 2 different categories. One way is to go through the Krebs cycle. The Krebs cycle starts off with a 3-carbon pyruvic acid, then turns into a coenzyme A. Coenzyme A is made by taking out a carbon and turning an NAD plus into an NADH. Now, off to the real Krebs cycle. You start with your coenzyme A and turn it into a 6-carbon citric acid. From there, you take out 1 carbon dioxide and you turn an NAD plus into an NADH. Now the carbon compound is a 5-carbon compound. From there, you take out another carbon dioxide and an NAD plus is turned into an NADH. And ADP is turned into ATP. Now it is a 4-carbon compound, and FAD is turned into an FADH2, and NAD plus is turned into NADH. Now it starts all over again. Another way cell respiration can go is through lactic acid fermentation. This is where 6-carbon 2 pyruvic acids take 2 NADH and turn them into 2 NAD plus, creating a 6-carbon 2 lactic acids.